Andariki Shubhodayam. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukra. This is a video relating to death of a prisoner in jail, but due to group clashes. In such cases, whether the state has to pay compensation or not. Delhi High Court said, yes, you have to pay, basing on the principle of vicarious liability. Friends, you have to remember that I told you the concept of vicarious liability from the legal maxim. Qui facit per eliam, facit per se. Who does the act through another is deemed to have done the act by himself. Second is respondent superior. That's a very easy legal maxim for you. So coming to this case, Honorable Delhi High Court, Justice Harish Vaijanathan Shankar, in the case of Shakila and others versus State of National Capital Territory Region, Delhi, on 12/6/2025. While delivering the judgment, he has expressed in unequivocal terms that state is vicariously liable to pay compensation in custodial death cases. So that's why the compensation for the death of under trial prisoner Mr. Javed was awarded 2 lakhs. Previously 1 lakh was given. Now 3 lakhs compensation was awarded, and it has to be paid by the state. State tappem ledhu dintlo, adi jagrataga meer gamanachali. While dealing the facts of the case, you will be coming to know. Mr. Javed, it is samanya ledhu. Javed is an under trial prisoner in Delhi court. Right? On 5/5/2013, there was a group clash between two groups inside the jail. అందుకనే జైల్ ఈజ్ ఎ బ్రీడింగ్ గ్రౌండ్ ఫర్ క్రిమినల్స్ అని చెప్పి కొంతమంది కావాలని కామెంట్ చేస్తుంటారు. అప్పుడప్పుడు ఇలాంటివి జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. జైల్లో ఈ సుపీరియారిటీ, ఇది హీరోయిజం, అన్ని రకరకాల ఏదో పనులు ఉంటాయి. ఎనీవే, దేర్ వాజ్ ఎ గ్రూప్ క్లాష్ ఇన్ ద జైల్ ఆన్ 5/5/2013. Two groups. This man belonging to a particular group. So when there was altercation, it has turned violent. They stabbed each other, as a result of which this Javed died. Right? Sorry, the death took place on 3/5/2013. Actually, after 2 days, that is on 5/5/2013, he has to be released. But release orders బయటికి రావాలి. ఈ లోపల just 2 days ముందే పైకి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. Right? 2 days before the incident took place, and immediately the jail authorities informed the parents about the ghastly incident. The parents went there. They took after postmortem examination was completed, they took the dead body. But of course, on some legal advice, the mother filed a petition for compensation before the jail authorities. So jail authorities, as usual, they said they have taken all precautions. It is not the fault of jail authorities. There were some groups. This fellow participated in one group, as a result of the clash, he died. There is no negligence on the part of the jail authorities, and they refused to pay any compensation. Then she came to the court. Here, human rights. Article 21, life and liberty of a person is the main job of the state. Therefore, Honorable Delhi High Court interim compensation has granted interim compensation of 1 lakh to the mother, that is Shakila, in the year 2016. The incident took place in 2013. 1 lakh interim compensation was given to the mother in the year 2016, but she died. Therefore, the relatives or the brothers, his siblings, brothers and sister, They contend and they are joined as legal representatives. They contend that they are dependent on him. They are dependent on him. Therefore, they are requesting for more compensation. Now, whether to award the compensation or not. Basically, the court dealt with the UDHR, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, 1948, and even our Constitution, Article 21, which says the state is there to protect the life and liberty of each and every individual, except as per the procedure established by law. No doubt, we agree, the state has got a duty, but when they themselves indulge in quarrels and then what is that we can do? This is the argument of javed. But court is of the firm opinion that it is the bounden duty of the state to ensure the safety of prisons, the safety of the persons in custody. Maybe the deceased may be with a criminal background. Definitely. He may be having criminal background. He may be a bad fellow. He was involved in a case of murder. But state is not absolved. Whatever exception is absolved of its duty to ensure the life or to ensure the safety and well-being of the prisoners in its custody. The fact that two rival groups fought with each other, they had altercated, and no doubt the deceased participated in it. It shows how things are going on in jail. You have to understand as to how things are going on in jail. How safely. It is the responsibility how groups had got access to the weapons. How they have got access to the tools. This speaks highly the manner in which jails are performing their duty. Whatever it is, the state cannot absolve itself. State has got the duty. Onerous liability is called vicarious liability, to compensate the victims. Now, the court ordered the state to shell down 2 lakhs rupees in addition to the 1 lakh already paid to the legal representatives. And court has got a little doubt whether all these people are really dependent on the deceased or not. Therefore, they have directed the district legal service authority people to go and inquire the degree of financial dependency of the deceased to the LRs. Actually, we are dependents కాదా ఎందుకంటే ఛాన్స్ వస్తే మనది మీకు అప్పుడప్పుడు సరదాగా చెప్తుంటారు కూడా మేము మెడికల్ క్యాంప్స్ జరిపేటప్పుడు మెడిసిన్స్ పెడుతుంటాం అక్కడ జనరల్గా దగ్గుకి జ్వరానికి పడిశానికి వీటన్నిటికి పెట్టినప్పుడు ద ఓల్డ్ ఉమెన్ దే యూస్ టు టేక్ 2 or 3 more tablets extra స్ట్రిప్స్ తీసుకుంటారు. మామగారు మీకు ఎందుకమ్మా అంటే అయ్యా మనోడు ఉన్నాడయ్యా వాడికి ఇవ్వాలి. ఇది మనిషిలో ఆశ. ఊరికినే వస్తుందంటే దేనికైనా రెడీ అవుతాము. అలాగే గవర్నమెంట్ కాంపెన్సేషన్ అంటే డెఫినెట్గా ఈవెన్ దో దే ఆర్ నాట్ డిపెండెంట్ దే విల్ ట్రై టు బి టు సే దట్ దే ఆర్ డిపెండెంట్. వెదర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఈచ్ టైప్ ఇస్ వెరిఫైడ్ బై ది court. So therefore they have asked the DLSA to verify the genuinity of this. Then only the compensation will be awarded, apportioned to them. So very good decision, particularly relating to the human rights and vicarious liability, law of torts. So read the case law and enrich your legal knowledge. With this, I am concluding here. Thank you.